In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your main monitor or display on Steam PC. If you've got more than one screen and your games keep launching on the wrong one, this quick method will point Steam to the display you want without permanently changing your system's primary monitor. We'll do this entirely inside Steam using Big Picture Mode, which is designed to make launching and managing games simpler and more consistent, especially if you're using a controller or playing from the couch. Start by opening Steam on your PC. At the top of the window, click the View menu, then choose Big Picture Mode from the drop-down list. Steam will switch into a full-screen interface. That's expected. Big Picture Mode consolidates game launching and display preferences so your selections are applied reliably. Once you're in Big Picture Mode, head to Settings. From there, open Display, then look for Preferred Display. Click the drop-down and select the monitor you want Steam to use. Depending on your setup, you might see options labeled by number, brand, or connection, such as HDMI or DisplayPort. Pick the one that matches the screen where you want your games to appear. If you're not sure which is which, choose the display you most often use for gaming. Steam will remember this preference for the session. That's the key adjustment. Now, simply launch your games from within Big Picture Mode. They should open on the display you selected, making it much easier to keep your play area exactly where you want it. This approach is great when you prefer not to change your Windows main display, or when you're temporarily using a TV or a projector. When you exit Big Picture Mode, Steam's display behavior reverts, so your system isn't permanently altered. The next time you want games to open on that specific monitor again, just return to Big Picture Mode and launch from there. It's a clean, low-commitment way to control where your games appear. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more videos like these.